Munini wa president ula unang'uthulilwe kuma Kivilani ni mbunge Rigathi Gachagua niwakwata Ukuno Munene umunthi itina wa benchi mwanya ya Asili atatu makoani ila ikwithukiisya makoani make ele kuleana na kuvetangwa kuma Kivilani kumuvetangia mavityo Munini wa Munene wa miao mwandu Philomena Mwilu vala nthini wa utw'io wo maweta kana ndaathi uvathukanu na miao nthini wa kumanyuva kuungamia ikwani kuno weta kwesila mawakili make maiweta ini nzekesie na kielelo sya kuvaka ndaka usili wa koti ya yolo.
Ni Ukuno kwa hivi ingi kwa Gachagua itina wa benchi Asili atatu ila yende kuvethukiisya kwani yake kulumilelia thiw'ia kimiao thino utw'io wa benchi ni aweta ni anyuvwe nesa kimiao na bayingo mavityo namwe maikwa ni Munini wa Chief Justice mwandu Philomena Mwilu.
To us, it is beyond peradventure that the Honorable DCJ can assign judges under Article 165 of Article 4 of the Constitution whenever he or she is discharging any of the constitutional functions on behalf of the Chief Justice. In this case, we do not find any fault in the Honorable DCJ assigning judges to sit in this bench, more so when the Honorable Chief Justice has not raised any red flag.
Asili atatu makoani ni malumilelia kimiao Philomena Mwilu kiuthukumini wa ofisi wake na watho kutetheesya munene wa miao Chief Justice Kome thiro mauthukumia la me ofisi no wake.
The functions of Article 165 of Article 4 in our view, and in as far as the same relate to the office of the Chief Justice, also includes the Deputy Chief Justice acting in the capacity of the office of the Chief Justice or discharging its functions in an interim, acting or auxiliary role.
Katoa maunungunisyo ange manene Gachagua nunawetete Asili atatu makoani moombanie matakoneti ngaliko skata nikiwa athanthatu wala inge koti walumilelia vayingwa kindu ta kiu na kana utw'io wo watw'io kwisilanzia mutandao kimiao ya oyu ya koti.
The applicants have urged that the applications before the court are not urgent and have loudly wondered why it was necessary to give directions for hearing of the applications on the 22nd day of October 2024. In response, the bench quotes Article 131, which establishes the office of the President and the office of the Deputy President, and also we have cited Article 147 with regards to the functions of the Deputy President, just to lay context.
Inge ni mendo thukumiwa weke kuva kwa ndaka vala malumilelia mekwani ni ikwithukiisya kwa wiana nungaliko sieli bamwe na kunengana aki kwa ene nthyangi aingi hala makuliti makonywe ikwani ni thino.
The court, as an independent arbiter of the Constitution, has fidelity to the Constitution and has to be guided by the letter and spirit of the Constitution. On our part, we wish to emphasize that the Constitution directs that it shall be interpreted in line with the doctrine of living constitutionalism.
Safe to reaffirm that this court remains fully committed to upholding the Constitution and the rule of law. In conclusion, we do find and hold that the accusations made by the applicants against this bench are entirely without merit.
I believe there must be some mechanical applications to the issues, but rather specifically that issue would be addressed and the Chief Justice would have the relevant communications tomorrow morning, while given the nature of the issue that must be dealt with, there must be a 5-judge matter. All benches can be expanded. I believe that is the positions that we are coming from. So without saying specifically that we don't want anyone, all benches are capable of being expansion.
Vilingwa mavo kwa vamu sienilovi janito wa Benjamin mwaka.